believe this guy?
Oh, let me prepare first. So, it doesn't taste like chicken?
Oh, for Pete's sake.
It tastes like chicken?
It does taste like a hot dog, okay?
Okay.
I found it, right? Mine. Unaccused fruit, what do they taste like? Blah, 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 blah. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers, what I say.
I think I have an idea.
You're pretty smart for a duckling.
Needs mustard.